Okay, I am freaking out a bit. We have a problem up ahead.
For the last few nights, every time I've walked down this road, I've heard something moving in the bushes. Not just a little rustle either. Sometimes it sounds big and fast, like something suddenly taking off through the undergrowth. And because the road is so quiet and the bush is so thick, my imagination has been doing all sorts of things. I've been told there are wild boar living in the area, and apparently their numbers have been increasing across parts of Italy. They breed quickly and they're very adaptable, and once they move into an area, they can be hard to control. So every time I walk past this section, I'm thinking, is that them? Are they in there? Am I about to come face to face with a wild boar?
I'm looking for a stick because I can hear wild boar and I'm trying to get to the pizzeria to get some food because I'm bloody starving. So I don't think this is gonna... I'm a bit concerned. They did look little though, they didn't look big. Will that scare them? What did Tom say to do? Run up a tree. There's no trees that I can easily run up, and I've got to come back at night. And they're gone. Turn around to see. That's a bit problematic, isn't it? Well, at least there's evidence. If something happens. Okay. No. Is that something? Oh, God. A bit scary. Did they eat me? Okay, I'm turning the video off. I need to concentrate. See those grey things? I can't zoom in anymore. They're wild boar. Can you hear my breathing? My home's on the other side of them. I think they're babies. Apparently you can just walk slowly. I might get a 360 out. He's just spotted him. Where's going? Good. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh. Fuck. Don't be scared. I can probably smell fear like sharks. So I'm just gonna calm down. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay.
So now I know what's been hiding in the bushes. And honestly, they were amazing to see, but also a little bit terrifying, especially when you're walking alone and you realise they're between you and your home. This is one of those moments where living here feels completely different to just visiting Italy. It's beautiful, it's peaceful, and then suddenly there are wild boar on the road.